All right, seventh graders, I do apologize for this late video, but I've been a little bit busy. So let's start with Unit 4, Lesson 2. I hope Miss Call was good for you guys yesterday. So for this first section, you are finding the quotient mentally. That means you are dividing all of these, as well as you're more than welcome to check your work with the calculator once you are done. This is to just get you thinking about numbers. Hit pause, and when you're done, hit play again. Okay, so a train is traveling at ... A train is traveling at a constant speed and goes 7.5 kilometers in 6 minutes. This is important information. At that rate, how far does the train go in 1 minute? Remember this handy dandy equation Miss White keeps reminding you to use. So we know there's 6 minutes. It travels 7.5 kilometers. So if we want it to travel 1 minute in X amount of kilometers, we then cross multiply. So then we have 6x equals 7.5. And then we would divide 6 and you get x from there. All right? The same concept applies with the next question. How far does the train go in 100 minutes? So now we could do 6 equals 7 or over 7.5 equals 100 over x. Solve this equation the same way you did this one. Okay, take your time for both. Hit pause and unpause when you're ready to move on. Okay, for this one, comparing running speeds, it says pick one of the questions that was displayed and don't tell anyone what question you picked. So here are some questions for you to consider. Who ran faster, Noah or Lynn? How far would Lynn run in 1 hour? How far did Noah run in 1 hour? How long would it take Lynn to run 1 mile at that rate? How long would it take Noah to run 1 mile at that rate? Please pick one of those questions. You can hit pause to pick them. All right, once you have that, please solve using the information provided. Use that equation Miss White keeps reminding you about that we used in this question. And then please, you do not have a partner. If you would like to rope your parents in on this, you can. And then you can make them guess as well as you guess. Again, you never have to do Are You Ready for More? If you would like to and expand your knowledge, you can. Otherwise, just go ahead and skip it. All right, this last question's on scaling. We did a whole unit on this a few units ago. In real life, the Mona Lisa measures 2.5 feet by 1/3 feet. A company that makes office supplies wants to print a scaled copy of the Mona Lisa on the cover of a notebook that measures 11 inches by 9 inches. What side would they use for the scaled copy of the Mona Lisa on the notebook cover? So, remember we always created those tables where we had this feet, or no, we don't want feet. But we created those scale tables where we had what? 2.5 to 1.75, and then we could do 11 to 9. So how could we get, I don't have a lot of room right here, how can we get from this larger feet to the inches down here? What is your constant of proportionality to get from here to here? Okay, and what is the scale factor? Remember, that's what you multiply by. And then talk about it, think about what you, did you use the same scale factor? If not, one are more reasonable than the other. Think about it. Is there more than one way to do this? All right. As well as always, please read the lesson 2 summary. And I will see you guys on Tuesday.